Question 12. If the electron configurations of elements X and Y are 2:8:2 and 2:8:7 respectively, which of the following statements would be correct about the bond that will be formed by these two elements? A. Each atom of Y combines with two atoms of X to form a compound. B. Each atom of X accepts 2 electrons. C. Each atom of Y accepts 1 electron. D. A covalent compound is formed. The correct answer is C. Each atom of Y accepts 1 electron. Explanation: X has 2:8:2. X has 2 valence electrons. So to form an octet, it will need 6 extra electrons. Y has 2:8:7. Y also has 7 valence electrons. So to form an octet, it will need just one electron to complete its octet. So to balance the charges and to form a neutral compound, one atom of X will have to give 2 electrons to combine with 2 atoms of Y, so that the 2 atoms of Y, each of them will have an octet. 7 plus 1 electron gives you 8, and this one too will form 7 valence electron plus an additional 1 electron from X will give you an octet.